Here are 25 funniest moments with ball boys and girls in sports. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. One of the greatest tennis players of all time, Rafael Nadal, showed all men how they should treat a lady when he sincerely apologized to this young ball girl. This was truly a great moment in tennis. In this video, Novak Djokovic is seen trying to stretch his back and hands towards the back. He cannot seem to achieve this all by himself, so he calls on the ball boy to help him hold his hands at the fact while he stretches his back funnily. This athletic ball boy tries to in acrobatic fashion save a foul ball. He just comes up a little too short.
Best effort of the year.
Chris Smith. The carom hit him on the head. Deflected and
Manchester City star Carl Walker had some fun with this Manchester United ball boy. Most of the crowd loved this funny gesture. This delightful hitter by the ball boy surely added a bit of spice to this football contest. Why throw the ball when you can have a head like that? This ball boy got a coffee to deliver to Venus Williams and was following her on her way to a bathroom break to deliver the coffee. He is truly a diligent young man. During a tennis game, the ball boy sees that Fognini is sweating and makes a towel available for him. He, however, has to return it because the tennis player wasn't even looking in his direction. After a tennis match, this ball boy rushes down to Sharapova to provide an umbrella over her head. However, he trips and falls just behind the sitting Maria. After this tennis player accidentally hit a ball girl with the ball, he reacted immediately, consoling her with a kiss and a hug. This Birmingham City ball boy could not stay on his feet in this football match between Birmingham City and Bristol City. There was, however, no love lost and his team won the match, which is good compensation for his mishap. Tottenham is surely the front runner in ball boy mishaps. In early 2019, a ball boy walked away from the pitch which slowed the how quickly Watford could take a throw. He then winked at the Tottenham bench, which is the funniest part of the video.
Do that, unfortunately, with the ball boy. Eden Hazard, you might recall, was sent off in
Swansea.
in a Carabao Cup semi-final, League Cup semi-final. But on the other hand, the etiquette around the Spurs staff. I shouldn't laugh because.
In the 2013 League Cup semi-finals, Chelsea vs Swansea, ball boy Charlie Morgan lay on the football, resulting in jeers from the ground, and are not so happy reaction from Chelsea's football Eden Hazard. This ball boy literally got under the skin of one of the greatest footballers of all time, Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo was again in the spotlight, this time in a very positive way. He consoled a young ball boy and gave him his shirt after he accidentally hit the young guy with the ball. To the amusement of the great Lionel Messi, this Liverpool ball boy awarded him after the completion of a match between Barcelona and Liverpool. "15-year-old ball boy in a football match between Tottenham Hotspurs and Olympiacos took quick action and returned the ball to the field of play in no time, which led to a goal for Tottenham." Tottenham ball boy intervenes in a match against Famagusta. A ball boy threw the football directly to a Famagusta player, resulting in severe discomfort.
Whoops. It's your moment, son.
The coach of the English Premier League team, Duncan Ferguson, was so happy after his team defeated great rivals Chelsea that he hugged and kissed an adoring ball boy. It was a happy and joyous scene on all levels. Rafael Nadal looked nervous and he is trying hard not to look at the beautiful ball girl. Can't blame him though. This footballer immediately embraced a ball boy who had been grounded by a bouncing football that ran out of play. This is always something great to see in sports.
Πράγματι, από το αριστερό του πόδι έφυγε και χτύπησε και το παιδάκι. Δείτε πως υποτικά πηγαίνει.
This ball boy saved the day by crawling under an advertising sign to retrieve a football. Ball boy Charlie Callahan clapped a powerful Liverpool coach Jurgen Klopp. Much to the shock of Klopp, the crowd really enjoyed this one.
Now to Manchester City. Final word goes to the Goodison Park ball boys, I think.
Brazilian ball girl Fernanda Maem uses her quick reflexes to return the ball to play, which eventually led to a stunning goal scored. She was hailed as a hero for this action. Tactical advice is the responsibility of the coaching staff. However, Pep Guardiola got a young ball boy to do his dirty work. The young man was delighted to do so on his behalf. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give a like if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.